it's Kay from Bridge Insurance Group, and welcome to this week's Fun Fact Friday. Did you know only about 31% of the workforce is covered by employer-provided disability insurance? Disability insurance, also sometimes referred to as income protection, protects against income loss due to a disability. When considering disability insurance, we like to use the acronym MUG, which stands for Mortgage, Utilities, Groceries. Basically, this allows us to look at each individual situation and come to a determination of what that person would need to cover those three things. If you want more information on this, we are always fee-free here. And remember to be protected, be prepared, and be informed. We'll see you next time.